In this video, we'll show you how to change the tail light bulbs on your Ram 1500. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Ram 1500 Car Battery. Open the tailgate. You can now remove the cable. Using a fork, remove the two holding rivets. To detach the taillight assembly from the vehicle body, remove the two screws with a T25 Torx screwdriver. You can now extract the taillight from its slot. Disconnect it by pushing the red tab and pulling on the pod. You can use a hook. To increase the lifespan of the bulbs, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To remove the light bulb sockets, turn them counterclockwise and pull them out. To remove the 7443 brake tail light bulb, simply pull on it. You can order the bulbs used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new bulb. Put the new light bulb in the socket. Put the socket into the taillight housing and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. To remove the 7443 reverse light bulb, just pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new light bulb in the socket. Put the socket into the taillight housing and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. To remove the 7443 turn signal bulb, simply pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new light bulb in the socket. Put the socket into the taillight housing and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Plug the electrical connector back in and lock it. The light is held in place by studs encased directly in the car body. Put the light back in. Screw the two holding screws back in. Then put the two rivets back in place. Reclip the cable back onto the support. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right, CarParts.com.